Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday/Tuesday. I have to change this. I need to go live on TikTok. All right. Let me zoom you guys in a little more. Let me share this. Chat.
Order submitted.
All right. We are in a $600 visual long. Where are my visual people at? We are in this trade for $600 right off the open. $600 on visual. Let's go. Guaranteed green on this trade. The trail has moved up. Happy Monday/Tuesday. It's January 16th. It is technically Tuesday.
Order canceled.
But, you know, it's essentially going to feel like a Monday.
Order submitted.
I'm going to put this in chat. Oh, I was going to do another giveaway. I need to do that. I'll do that today. Make sure you're posting in results. Make sure you're posting in chat. And make sure you have a picture on your profile. And you will be qualified. I also want to keep an eye on my manual chart. Okay. I'm keeping an eye. Where's visual? All right, visuals in this long. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday. Thanks for the likes, Chris. Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and then Jen goes live 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So Jen and I will both be live this entire week from 9:30 to 10:30, and then 1 to 2 p.m. on this account specifically. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat or email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Hey, Laneith, I love you. Thanks for the hype. My leg is asleep, and I just put it back up, so I locked in 500 and walked away. It's an evolution. Exactly. So this is the thing. This is visual, which is a premium algorithm. It just went green $650 on the first trade. But if you let it do its thing, it pulled back and it closed for 225, which is still a nice win. But you can physically take this stop loss and move it up. So Irma is saying she did that. She took $500 off of visual, and she's probably done for the day. And the first trade isn't always a win, but a loss on visual is $200. So you can easily make up for it. Like, say it has a $200 loss, and then it has a $600 run. You could still take that $600 at the peak or whatever, and then be positive $400 on the day, essentially. If you're new, make sure you follow, hit that thumbs up on YouTube, and hit that bell icon, please. We are waiting to see if our student play plays out. We did have one trade overnight on range. Here we go. Green, another 230 on visual at the top here. What's the lowest amount you need to have to start? So $3,000, and you would be trading micros. But you don't have to use your own capital. You could utilize someone else's capital, like Apex. So Apex is a prop firm. They're currently doing 71% off. It's ApexTraderFunding.com.
Target filled.
Ooh, that was fast. Target filled. On NQ early. NQ early hit target. I gotta get my little buzzers out. NQ early. Let's see, eggs. We need some eggs in the chat. So, overnight, NQ had a trade. It was 1 for 1 for, I made $100 off of it, and now just NQ early had a trade. So 2 for 2 so far on range. So NQ night and NQ early have only traded so far today on the standard setups. Cool. So if you're interested, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. In that informational email that I will send you, it's going to have, ooh, look at this nice move up on visual, $410 on the second trade. It's going to have
Order submitted.
information that will break down both the cash option. So if you want to do a cash account, again, target filled on YM zones. Let's go. It's down on the bottom. YM zones had a short. It took target. Nice. That's a premium setup.
Stop filled.
What was that? Also, one I'm testing hit. Oh, that was, no. Was that like a trail stop? I don't know what that was. I don't see anything that's red. We're moving up still. How do you get the prop firm? Yeah, so good question. You just go to apextraderfunding.com. This is also in the informational email. So both options, the cash option and the Apex option. So you go here, you go to sign up. It will take you to the bottom, and then you pick one of these plans. So 25K, 50K, 75K, 100K, whatever. The bigger the plan, the longer it's going to take to pass, most likely. You have to trade at least 7 trading days, but the profit goal is going to be higher in every account that's more expensive. So and then they're doing a 71% sale. So the price for this is not this price. It would be 71% off of that. So I think this one's like $40 right now. The 50,000 might be like $50, something like that. A lot of times they'll also
Order canceled.
All right. So Vizzy came back and hit that. Green visual is green 2 for 2 on the day, $335, but this one was a $600 run, and I think this one was just like a $500 run. I could figure it out. 20 to 45, 25, yeah, $500 exactly. So $335 with no touching. The first trade went positive, like 620. Second trade went positive. So if you want more information, just email me because, again, all of that's going to be in there. There's a million videos online about Apex if you want to know more about Apex, how it works. Can you use it on forex? You can, but I don't have settings for forex, so you might as well just use it. Oh, you can't use Apex on forex. You can only use Apex on futures. It's a futures prop firm. So there are prop firms for forex products and like forex companies, whatever. And then there's prop firms for futures. So Apex, Lilu, Take Profit Trader, One Profit, One Up, something like that. There's a whole bunch of them. Those are all for futures, and I only trade futures. Thanks for the likes, Chris. If you're new here, make sure you follow. We go live twice a day, every day, sometimes 3 times a day. So make sure you follow, put that bell icon on. Nice. Maybe that's what it was. No, I didn't have it open. Oh, yep, I got that too. Perfect. And NQ for 325. Nice. So I have found some new setups that I'm really excited about. I shared them in the group. They are going to be premium, but they're going to be so good. This bot is for futures. Yes, this bot, all of my bots are for futures. Correct. So far, NQ early. Let me show you overnight what we had. So NQ, this was NQ overnight. It had a trade here. It hit target right before that huge drop. Do you see that?
Order submitted.
And this is why overnight protection is so important. If you're using Apex with Rhythmic, they give you an overnight protection. You have to turn that on.
Target filled.
Oh, target filled. ES just hit target. Let's get some apples in the chat. ES just hit target. So ES early is 1 for 1. NQ early is 1 for 1. And NQ night is 1 for 1. So 3 for 3 so far on range setups. We love a Monday. Monday is our money Monday, so we're here for it. NQ night 1 for 1. NQ early 1 for 1. And then ES early 1 for 1. 100% on the day so far. All right. YM range. Let's see if YM. Maybe not. And then we have NQ later. ES is done. We'll keep this NQ early to see if we get something here. But yeah, overnight protection on Rhythmic is so important. They give it to you. It's included. You just have to set it up. And I have a video and a tutorial how to set it up in my helpful info channel. So make sure if you're using Rhythmic and you're running my algos overnight, you have that protection on. ES London is in a short on waves. Oh, I wonder if it's because I turned this off this weekend. I'm going to move this over and turn it on. The correct account. I was doing some testing on the long weekend. If you're one of my students, you should have been doing some market replay because why not? If you want to get better, you have to keep practicing. Good morning. Heck with this snow. Oh my gosh, Ricky, I'm already so over it. So I went to play pickleball last night and I was like sliding going into the parking lot at the YMCA. It's green, $150 on this ES London Waves, which is a yes for Monday and a yes for Tuesday. So
Target filled.
Target filled on something else. What was that? Oh, maybe that was on my other VPS. Green 162. Ooh. So we're down here on this ES trade. I can show you guys. This is ES London Waves. Green 162 so far. See if we get this NQ early. I don't know what that other target was. Visual's not in trade. NQ night. Okay, so it must have been from my other. It must have been my other VPS. I have another VPS. Again, I'm testing a bunch of stuff. So, ES zones. ES zones hit, RTY zones hit, and NQ zones hit. 3, 4, 5, 6, $700 so far on those. And this other range that I'm testing is green, $795. Really nice. I'm testing a bunch of stuff. Did we put up NQ London? It was red 130, not a big deal. NQ bold line is doing its thing. It always is, Michael. It always is. Use that bold line. Use that bold line. Oh, is mine messed up? No. It's just super flat. I don't know if I would say it's doing its thing, Michael. But it got close to doing its thing. All right, let's see if we get an NQ early trade here. I'm going to also go back to my manual chart, see what's going on. So we're still within the chop zone. This is a proprietary chop zone that I give to my students every single morning.
Order submitted.
Order. That's on my other system.
Order submitted.
I think. ES London is in a short and a visual. Oh, visual's in a long. I know you guys like to see those. Visual is in a long. Let's see if NQ. So what helps my students is that this keeps you out of this mess. So today's Monday. We went up. We've come down. This is a mess. We don't want to be a part of this. So using my system and having this proprietary chop zone is going to help you stay out of the mess.
Order canceled.
There are only 2 spots left for Vegas, so make sure, so a loss there on visual. Again, it's only $200, so it's not going to break the bank or really hurt your Apex accounts. Can it go like 5 or 6 losses in a row? Yes, I have seen it do that. But that's why on visual, if you make your money, especially here, this was a $600 run, this was a $500 run. You can lock those up yourself and then be done for the day. You don't target filled. That was definitely NQ. Let's go. NQ early, 2 for 2. So now we are 4 for 4 on range. And YM, 5 for 5 on range. YM just had a trade too. 5 for 5 on the day. 5 for 5. Let's go. What did we say what YM was going to be? Who had a suggestion that YM was like some other funky food? NQ, night, 1 for 1. NQ early, 2 for 2. ES early, 1 for 1. YM range, 1 for 1. Let's go. Let's go. Very nice. Already $400 if you took the smallest sizing. Hey, Laura, on the range setups.
Order submitted.
We need to start a countdown for Vegas. Ooh, actually, 4 months? 4 months. Can't wait. I can't wait. Good job, Laura. Thank you for staying on top of that in the student chat. I appreciate you so much. All right, so we're still in this short of ES down here. It's kind of hard for me to move my YouTube. You can definitely see it easier because you can see the whole screen. But this is the ES short that's been happening for the last, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. This is on waves. This is a premium algorithm. One contract, you can see the one right here, and the red means that it's short. Nice, 2 more evals passed. So this is one contract on ES. ES doesn't have a very big risk, and the cost of ES, if you're using a cash account, is only $500 per mini. So already over 50% of what you're essentially putting in to take this trade. Not what you're risking, but what you're putting up. So you put up $500 to take this trade. It's already greened 320, over 50% return on that one contract. $262 on this ES short. Remember, 11 PA, $17,000, $600 on top, $1,500 on lives. Very nice down bad trader. Close it, Peter. Close it. Just literally go to positions. You guys need to understand how to close a position. Go to the positions tab, right click, and push close position.
Order submitted.
Dude, I did. Okay, well, you have me freaking out. Because we talked about this last week. If you got, like, I'm going to have to start testing people how to close a position. If you don't know how to close a position, you can't be running the algorithms. Nobody should be left in a naked trade, but if by some chance you are, for some reason, maybe a copier or something happens that's funky, you guys need to know how to get out of that. Like, that is something you need to know. It's in your best interest to know that. Like, I'm running 2 different lives, watching the student play. Like, there's a lot going on that, like, if I miss that somebody posts in the chat that they're in a naked trade, or, you know, Monday's really busy for Irma. People usually have setup issues. So it's like, you know, you guys need to know this stuff. And I need people in chat to be helping each other out, and that's why we have the chat. So, and you should always, always, always have the Apex screen up, which I posted about in announcements the other day. Did I take it down? Because I'm going to post that again. You have to have the Apex always up and open. There is a thing that says flatten all. So if for some reason you can't close it in your platform, you can push flatten all in the Ninja Trader website, and it will close you out of all of your trades. Any trades that you're in. It has to be something you have up at all times when you're using Apex. It is just a thing. This is what it looks like. Flatten accounts. But if you can just push close position, it's much easier, and it doesn't turn everything off. You must have this Apex site open at all times when trading. If you are left in a naked trade, try to exit under the positions tab first. If it doesn't work, then push Latin accounts. Okay. It took on so exactly. Well, that is what a naked trade is, Peter. That is what it. Oh, in my cash account, we shorted and the short hit in your cash account. Well, then you need to reach out
Order
to Apex.
canceled.
I mean, you need to reach out to Ninja. Look, the short. What do you mean it shorted and it was red? There's no way it could be red on a short because we've been shorting for so long. All right, please reach out to Irma or figure that out because I can't spend more time on it now. Green 375 on the ES short. Not trying to be like bitchy or rude, but that's going to be something that we have to circle back on after the call. Because I can't just like focus on that right now. But this is why it's important to keep an eye on your stuff. Also, even if you have a cash account with NinjaTrader, green 475 on this ES. If you have a cash account with NinjaTrader, they also have protection options. They have a max loss option. They have a max gain option. So you need to make sure you're utilizing that as well. That is in the NinjaTrader portal. You sign into the NinjaTrader portal under your information. And then there is a protection section. I can show you a picture of that later, Peter, if you don't know where that is. But that also needs to be on at all times because even if overnight you have a naked trade with NinjaTrader, that is going to keep you, safe. Texas, that makes me so happy. Oh, Irma said you only joined because of Irma talking about Texas and her Valentine Longhorn, whatever. Look at these boys. These boys. This is Down Bad Trader. Down Bad is literally, he's young and he's just killing it. 11 PAs. These are all PAs. $17,600 in one day. One day on PA accounts, which is a performance account, which is a cash account. 5 evals on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are evals. This is all cash that he can withdraw. What's today, the 16th? He can submit a withdrawal for $20,000 in a few days on the 20th of the month. Great way to start the week. BoldBot for life. Awesome, Michael. Love to see it. All right, let's look at our manual plays. So 66 did exactly. Good job. Did you wait for the pullback, Nick? Okay, cool. I actually didn't see this in real time, so, but it did drop 10 points. I'm not sure what's happening. What's even happening? It dropped 10 points.
Order submitted.
And it's, oh my god, 9:53. I feel like the first, I didn't see it. Well, actually, I could just break this down to a 1-minute chart and find out, and I could tell you. It dropped, it pulled back, it dropped 10 points. No one should have been red on that trade. No one should have been red on that initial trade. But it was also at 9:51, so that's another thing. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Maybe this first one. The first one, okay. Not the second one. But the second one you shouldn't have been in anyway. The first one, not the second one. All right. Exactly. Andon isn't even in here right now, and he's like, he's at Taco Bell. He already knows the deal. Oh, you guys, visuals in a $500 long. Where's Glenn, who's bitching this morning? Get the hell out of here. Glenn, $500 long, Glenn. And take that money. Like, don't... 5 PAs and 3 evals. Just keeping an eye out for the naked trades. Good job. Let's do this. Yeah, Peter, I think we're good. I don't know if we need to keep going over this. I feel like... Okay. I don't know. I'm doing so many reminders today. It's crazy. It's only red 265. So this trade, $600, $700. You could close it out right now. You could take this stop loss, move it right to where the price is, click and drag. It will take you out of the trade for $700, and then you're up $500 on the day. Like, you guys have to know how visual works. And if you don't, please use a thread. Oh my God. Like, you guys, there are rules for reasons. It's like some people just don't want to follow them, and then they just want to be mad. Like, what? What is happening? Yeah, I don't know. We can't keep talking about it, Peter. What VPS do you have? That's what Brady asked you. 600 on this long. I agree, it's weird, but we gotta figure it out and then move on. But I really never see those issues from Ninja, from like the cash accounts. Smooth morning, nice job, William. Slow and steady. Look, $50 a day. Let's do the math. $50 a day. If you can make $50 a day on your Apex account, times 20 accounts, that's $1,000 a day. Times 20 trading days in a month, on average, is $20,000 a month by making $50 a day. $50. You know how easy it is to make $50?
Order submitted.
Green, $800 on this visual long. Kevin, you don't like to follow rules. Kevin, when are you coming back? You said like months ago you were coming back, and you still haven't come back, and I don't know what you're doing. $830 on this long. All right, cool. It is 10 o'clock. Look how close that line is. Oh.
Order submitted.
It's ready for another one, though. All right, so Visual is back to green. Remember, the first trade on Visual was $650. The second trade on Visual was $500. They didn't close there, but that's the height that they got to. Just like this one just got to $850. You have the opportunity and the right to move your stop loss up if you want to, especially when you're in the eval or in the beginning stages of your PA. You still have a trailing drawdown. So you need to be very aware of that and very careful. Green Day, slow and steady for the win. Very good. Look at my friends. Nice job. K Lavender. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $1,300. But when you look at each total, they look kind of small, right? But not in a judging way. But that's what slow and steady gets you. He's making $1,300 in a day, but he's not risking much. He doesn't need to make much. He's doing a great job. Like, you don't have to be, like, a lot of people will see Down Bad Trader where he's making like $1,500 on each account. Like, he's going for it. Listen, good for him. But you don't need to do that to be successful. You don't need to do that to make $20,000 a month.
Target filled.
Target filled. Hell yeah, look at this. I'm not in this long, but I know you guys are. What was that? Is that NQ early again? No. Who is that? RTY? No.
Order submitted.
Who the hell was target filled? Oh, it might be on my other one. Damn! Green $1,070 on this NQ one that I'm testing. And it's in another trade, green $350 right now. And ES is also in a secondary trade. It already made $250. Now it's in another one for $162. Nice. I think I have all of these online. I do. It's about to hit target on that ES too. So I think that's what we heard. That's what we heard. Visual is... I'm not in this Visual long. It didn't tag me. I think some of you are. So you guys are in another move here from 906 to 926. That's $400 more on Visual. Remember, Visual is a premium algorithm. If you want more information on the algorithms, on any of them, or on my mentorship, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's on the screen. We go live twice a day, every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. It's 10:03 now, and then 1 to 2 p.m. Is that this one? Oh, it's on the range one. Get out of here.
Order filled.
This one hasn't. Let me see. I wonder if it's because I need... The RTY had a win, and then it had a loss, so RTY is red twice. Oh, that's on, not, it's on something I'm testing, not on. Where is this other one?
Order submitted.
Did I get rid of it? Hold on, let me see. I did, but it's still running up here. Alright, we'll have to see. Oh, ES got so close to that. Alright, now I'm in that Visual, but if you guys were in it before, you probably made a few hundred more as it went up. I didn't get that. So you guys are probably green like 450 right now. I'm only green like 250. Yes, Lauren, I know. I don't know if you know, because I don't see you.
Order canceled.
Alright. Let me bloop a few more of these people. I love all these emojis. Mike King, Michael, one of my longtime students, he was asking about the one-on-ones the other day. We might be setting that up soon. Either that or he's coming to Vegas. One or the other. Either he's coming to Vegas or he's taking the one-on-ones with me. Same with Tyler. We were talking about that this weekend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know, almost $6,000 for Mike today. Nice job, Mike. Still in that ES London short. Remember, it was green. I don't know, what was it, like $400, $375, something like that. Again, you can move it down if you want to.
Order submitted.
So if you want to see the stop loss and the target and the P&L on your chart, you have to have the chart trader turned on.
Order
I
submitted.
think that's covered in the setup video. I think so. I think so. Let's look back here. Still a really kind of just basic choppy Monday.
Order submitted.
Yes, good job, Naveen. First time in Vizzy got out 1 for 1 at $575. We'll be watching its behavior all day. That is the best way to do it. Like some days, yes, you will miss out on a bunch of money. Like Visual made, I don't know, like $15,000 last week or something like that. So if you turn it off, like it's probably best to leave it on. But
Order
if you're
canceled.
in the early stages, if you're in the early stages of a PA or the early stages of an evaluation account, when you have a trade like this that was $850 and then it pulls back and closes out at $500, that's $300 against your drawdown. So you have to understand that. And here, the first trade today was $650. You could have taken that and been done for the day. This second trade was $500. That's $1,100 from 2 trades if you're manually intervening. Now, I did not manually intervene. My results are based off of 100% hands-free trading. But I tell you guys that because, you know, again, especially if you're in the early stages, because you do have that drawdown situation when it comes to an eval. You have a drawdown before you hit that profit goal again on your PA. So there's no reason to risk that when you could just have the luxury of taking the profit and being done. Make sure you tap that screen, hit that thumbs up, James. Nice job, James. James got a dedicated server over the weekend. All of his trades this morning were beautiful. Slow and steady wins the race. Yes, it is true. Can't say that enough.
Order submitted.
Listen, price is choppy. What time is it? Definitely. Listen, I haven't taken any trades. I would have taken this short if I had noticed it, but I was too busy responding to like other people talking about other things. They don't, Peter. Let's not make it a poor me situation. No one. There's so many people trading. Ninja Trader is not targeting you. I promise.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Target filled on NQ early. NQ early. Hit target again. Again. Target hit. Well, you guys might not have hit yet. I think one's a... Do you see how that's such an uptick? Let's go. We got to push up. There we go. Here 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 we go. All right. You guys should be hitting now. NQ early. Let's go. Mine's a little... 3 for 3 on NQ early. Got it. Got it. Got it. Let's go. Also, visuals in another long. $310. $310 on this visual long. If you want more information on the algo, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So again, NQ night, 1 for 1. NQ early, 3 for 3. ES night, ES early, not night, 1 for 1. YM range, 1 for 1. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for 6 on the day. RTY has not traded. It doesn't actually even matter if RTY trades or not.
Target filled.
Target filled on something else. Ooh, look at this run on visual. Let's go. Oh, is that on my... It might be on my other setup. It might be on this one. This one didn't hit ES yet. Damn, $1,470 on this one that I'm testing. And a green, another...
Order filled.
2. Dang. ES, come on. ES needs to get this 98 and hit this target. Nice. Make sure you tap that screen. Put some eggs in the chat. Let's go. What a beautiful Monday. We love a money Monday.
Target filled.
Target filled. You guys should write this down, my students. This is kind of like my mantra. Jason's new though, so I'm sure he didn't know it. 3 for 3. Nice job, Jared. Jared. Let's go. How are we looking on? Ooh, we are moving. We are moving. Listen, price was just faking y'all out a little bit, okay? Had to go back down. Where was that? And this was all on the student call. Well, we talked about the student call, and we talked about this 70 area. Kyle mentioned it, which was super helpful. But this drop was 10 points anyway. But if you got stopped, you got stopped. It should have only been one trade. And now you're just going to wait and see what else happens today. Money Monday on a Tuesday, even better, right? 225. What a day, Adam. What a day. $4, $8. I need silver pink to get with the program. Why am I not in it? So I might need to redo those charts. I'm not in a silver pink trade. Or are you saying it's not in a trade, but you want it to be in a trade? Are you in a trade? I might need to just redo these. $700 on this long. Again, Visual has given a lot of opportunities today for you to just grab your money and go. No. Sorry, Scott. Set an alarm. It will help. There's a lot of things to pay attention to when you're a manual trader. I think a lot of people see people doing it really well and easily, but they don't understand the work that goes behind it and the effort that it takes. You can't just take my course and be a good manual trader the next day. You really, number one, have to put the time in, the effort in, like Kenny. Everyone freaking idolizes Kenny. They don't realize that he traded in sim for like 3 months. And then after that, he traded 1 mini for a long time. Then he went to like 2 minis, then 3 minis. Like now he's at 20 minis, 25 minis, whatever he wants to run. And he can do that because it's been 4 years. We're coming up on 4 years that Kenny has been a student of mine. So it's not an overnight thing. It's not an overnight success. Sparky, you're so cute. I gotta pin that. So, and it takes, and there's a lot of factors to consider. What time is it? What product am I trading? You know, what day of the week is it? Like there's so many things to consider. But if you put the time and effort in, you can be really successful at manually trading. So, that's all I have to say. But like, I am going to give you all the tools. All the tools. Ash. Look at Ash. Okay, Ash. 1,300 on all of his accounts. Very nice job. Nice job, Ash. He's new to the group, too. No, I don't want to ungroup. I don't want to group things. Well, actually, I could group these. Group. I always do it on mistake. I don't actually. That's fine. Haha, thanks, Mike. Mike said, preach it, Lauren. So true. I believe in the system. Nothing worthy comes easy. Must pay for your dues. It's true. I put in a lot of dues in my time, too. Listen. And, like, it doesn't mean you have to lose money. I'm still learning, and it's been amazing. Lauren is the best ever. Bless you. Thank you so much, Mike. But also, Mike King. So, it's true. Like, I've been there. There's a lot. There's a lot that's, ooh, we're getting a bit of a move here, which I like. All right, students. What time is it? It's 18. Who's in that 60? $67 so far. Yeah, so afternoon meaning afternoon, not meaning like morning. But, you know, essentially just give it time.
Order submitted.
All right, here we go. Back up to 67. You guys, we're still in this visual long. I don't want to take away from that. I was just looking at my green $1,100 on visual on this one trade. One trade, one contract, over 100% on this trade, on your investment, essentially. I hate using that word because, I don't know, like, what? We're not, like, investing. We're literally getting in and out every single day, all day long. Green 1,200 on visual here. We're at 70. Where are my students at? Up 72, 74, 73, 75. Here it goes. This is what we were waiting for. Y'all, this is exactly green $1,400 on this long. This is the student play playing out from 60, 60 ran to 80. That's 20 points. 20 points is $400 per mini on the NASDAQ. $1,400. Nice job. Jimmy got it in and out. Up 20 points here. $21 points here. Let's go. Let's go. We want to run. There's your pullback. We want to run. Okay. No, 2 days. That's a good start. 2 days. Remember, you guys, you can't be risking more than you have in your PA account. That is ridiculous. That is not allowed. That is so unheard of. If your PA account has a cushion of $2,000, you can't risk $2,000. That makes absolutely no sense. All right, let's push back up. Let's go. Here we go. We got to get back over that 76, and we're running. We are running up to 17,000. Let's go. If you're in on that 76, let's go. Next stop. Let's go. Target filled on that. That 76, 4 has already gone up 8 points here.
Submitted.
All done and good night. Nice job, Roderick.
Target filled.
Target filled on something. I don't freaking know. Money is everywhere. Okay, we're green. $1,500 on this long. $1,500. Ran up to 90. So even off that 76, that's 14 points right there. Good job, Jared. You did it. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. This is live. This has been live since before Christmas. Visual is fire. It's so good. It made like $15,000 last week. Do you look in this spreadsheet, Danny? Visual last week made $7,665. The week before, it made $80,000. We also had a holiday that week. The week before that, hold on, I have to open this. Oh, I have it on the old sheet, on the 2023 sheet. The week before that, 80. The week before that, 850. It's really good. It's similar to Santa in the way that it gets in and out. Well, not in and out like Santa does. It runs. Like, it can have these really big runs, but I kind of say that it's like Santa. The stop loss is only $200, so that's similar to Santa. And then it takes a lot of trades, similar to Santa, but it has bigger runs than Santa in my mind. Yes, Visual is a premium algorithm. Correct. It is a premium algorithm. So if you want more information, you can message Amy or Irma. Peter got it twice. Nice job. Jason got the run. Nice. Peter's done. Y'all. It played out in both situations. For my manual trade, we are still going. We're at 91. Let's go. Chris, did you get this? Let's go. I don't like when you're quiet because then I don't know. We got the move here at 60 to 95, 30 points. Listen, I said next stop is 17,000. There we go. 17,000 hit. 17,000 hit. So from 60 to 17,000, that's 40 points. This was given on the student call this morning from 8:45 to 9:15 in the morning. This was this long play from 60, 17,000. That's 40 points. That's $800 per mini. If you have one micro, that's $80 per micro. And if you took it from 76, which is the top of here, 76 to there is, 25 points, 24 points. That's $500 per mini. Roderick said I went in for a little more. Caleb got it. Keisha got it. Jason got it. Peter got it. Yes, exactly, Jason. Yes, exactly. Still in the visual long, I believe. Let's see. Yep, still $1,700, and it was just another 10 points, so $1,900, almost at Target. Target is 17,009. Oh, you said you got 100? I didn't even see that. Oh, good job. Oh, maybe in the TikTok chat. Sorry, I really don't follow the TikTok chat as much as I should. I just saw it. Quick, $100 on micros. Nice job. Nice job. I'm walking away. Got that move, and now I guess I'm going to work. Have fun, everyone. Stay safe. Nice job. Right to 17,000. Do you see down bad? Look. He got long 77 and 73, and then sold right at 17,000. Nice job. I love it. Look, he's got his levels. This looks perfect. You guys make me so happy. So happy when you listen. Jared said I'm walking away for real this time. For real, for real. Yeah, it's going to be. Well, that makes sense, Peter. It's a very normal thing. Okay, cool. Okay. Yes, same for R2I. Let me see ES. Oh no, my ES is 500. All right, still in this visual long, $1,700. If you want more information on the algorithms, just email me. Oh shit, this one made 1,500. My other one played out that I wasn't sure if it was going to. Yay! Okay, so listen, the ones I'm testing, Chris, 1,500 on NQ, 1 for 1 on NQ, 1 for 2 on RTY, but RTY's only read $25, and it ran. And then YM no trades, ES green $500, 2 for 2. These are the ones that I posted this weekend in the chat. ES and NQ are big gainers. RTY and YM are on the smaller side, but then they have smaller drawdowns, smaller losses. Like the loss on YM is like $100. The loss on RTY I think is like $125. Like really, really small. So I'm super excited for these. Super excited. Oh, I can't wait. And I will be continuing to run these in simulation, and then I will be rolling them out live. For sure. $1,750. Let me send this to Glenn. I need to shovel more money into my cash account so I could take all of these with like multiple minis. Yeah, visuals premium, and the ones that I'm talking about with the YM having a $100. Let me show you guys because I posted it in announcements this weekend. I posted the NQ and the YM. This is the ES, right? Yeah, okay, so look. So this is the ES one. and today it's 2 for 2 for $500. See, the win is $250, the loss is $300. The drawdown since October has only been $2,000. It's made $12,000. It makes $3,594 a month on one mini. One mini. And again, your max loss is $300. It has had 5 $300 losses in a row, so you just want to pay attention to that. So again, you could do micros on ES or do the cross. This one is the one that people are really excited about. This is YM. So I kind of broke down how this works. Now, 83% win rate. You're only making $605 a month, but $605 a month is off of one mini. The drawdown is only $375. So what could you do here? You could take 2 minis, 3 minis, and have still a very low drawdown. This is from September. A low drawdown, your max loss is $125 per trade on YM. The win is $100, so very close ratio of 1-to-1, which we love. And then, in addition to that, what I was saying about the $600 in the group, if you make $600 a month, yeah, that's like, oh, I'm not going to be able to cover costs, or that doesn't sound like a lot. But hey, most of you have 5, 10, 15, 20 Apex accounts. Multiply $600. This is one setup. Multiply $600 by 10 Apex accounts. That's $6,000 a month. Multiply it by 20 Apex accounts. That's $12,000 a month. Like, this is where Apex really comes into play for us, because if you have a really solid setup with low risk, it even look low reward. Again, it only makes $100 when it wins, and it trades every other day. Like, it doesn't trade even once a day. So maybe it doesn't trade today, but it trades tomorrow. But it makes on average $600 a month. You can then take that, even if it's $400 a month or $500 a month, you have that low risk and that high win rate and the low drawdown, and you put that on all of your Apex accounts. Number one, you're never going to bust an Apex account. Number two, like, will it take, obviously, if you did this and you only ran this for your evals, is it going to take some time to pass? Yes. So you would have to mix in other things. But once you have that cushion on your PAs, this is a 100% banger. Like, 100%. You are turning this on, you're risking $125 a trade, you're making $600 a month on all of your Apex accounts. Like, that is like it's just like a no-brainer. This standard subscription comes with 2 algos. It comes with Bold Range, which is one of our favorites. I'll show you here. Bold Range is 6 for 6 on the day so far. This is Bold Range. This is part of the standard subscription. And then Scalper, and I'll show you. This is Scalper. You don't get access to Scalper immediately, only because it's a bit more complicated. But Bold Range and Scalper are on the standard subscription. And Bold Range so far today, like I said, is 6 of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's made $400 and almost $40. So just on today, $440 with just the standard Bold Range algorithm. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please check us out. So yeah, so that's the YM. And then I found an RTY too, which is very similar. I'll show you the RTY. I think I sent it to Glenn the other night. Listen, when I have people that help me, they scratch my back, I scratch their back. I don't think was this RTY? Yeah, this was RTY. I need to clear out this one thing. So this is RTY. RTY, since June of this year, has made not a lot of money, but it's made $3,500. Okay, let's stay with me here. Since June, it's made $3,500. The drawdown is $1,500. So again, not a bad drawdown. The profit per month since June, and that's since June, the market has acted very differently. Since June, what changed? $483 per month. So again, you could, again, the same as YM. The win is 100, the loss is 125. Very nice risk to reward ratio. You're not going to have, and it's had 5 losses in a row, that's $500, $600. Even on one mini, you don't have to take 2, 3, 5 minis. You take one mini, you're risking $125, you're making almost $500 per month for the last 7 months. $500 per month You put that on 10 Apex accounts. That's $5,000 per month on just RTY alone. Then you add in that YM, that's making $600 a month. So say you're making $1,000 per month just running YM and RTY on average since, June, September. I think when I pulled back YM to June, I think it was very similar to RTY, that it was more like $500 a month. So say it's $1,000 a month running RTY and YM on each of your Apex accounts with a very appropriate drawdown of, say, a total of maybe $2,000 total. At any given time there was a drawdown of $2,000. So when you get that $6,000 cushion, that $8,000 cushion, you have the opportunity to then run these and essentially just cash out every 2 weeks and do nothing else. $1,000. So you have 10 accounts. You have 10 accounts. That's $10,000 per month. And you're nowhere near like hurting your cushion. Bold range was amazing. All of 2023. Huge, huge, huge. Like 95% on average across there. Kyle had an issue on 2 of his PAs, but 2 of his other PAs he made $900. Nice job. Adam said, is this real life? Adam's been with the group now for maybe 6 weeks. He loves it. And I love that he loves it. So good for Adam. These are all his Apex accounts. $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, something like that. Nice job. It's 10:37. I went over my normal time. I'm going to go get ready for pickleball. I also have some errands I need to run today. Jen will be live from 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this same account on TikTok. Just checking. What is she talking about? Hey, Patrick C. on YouTube. I'm talking about my fully automated algorithms. I'm also talking about some of these new setups that I found on the premium algos. So again, the standard algos come with 2. If you want more information, just email me. I respond very quickly to emails. I have an admin who is on email duty at all times. So she will respond, send you the informational email, and go from there. All right, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Jen will be live from 1 to 2 p.m. on TikTok. Make sure you join her, and then I'll be live tomorrow on Wednesday. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Be safe. If it's snowing, the roads still look like crap out here, but I'm heading out. They plowed them. They're just kind of like slushy at this point. So, all right, have a good day. Bye, guys.